Well, new at 5 o'clock, the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 hits 1 million. The Associated Press reporting that grim number today. 3 out of every 4 deaths were people 65 and older. More men died than women. And whites made up 64.5%, Hispanics 16.1%, and blacks at 14.3%. And a new study shows that number could be higher without Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. According to researchers, the Pfizer shot may have prevented at least 110,000 deaths last year. It also might have kept roughly 700,000 people out of the hospital. The vaccine also saved more than $30 billion in healthcare costs. Pfizer's vaccine was the first COVID-19 shot available in the United States.
One top health official is warning the U.S. is not completely finished with COVID-19 as the nation reports a new wave of cases. But experts are split on whether we'll see a summer surge. Mandy Gaither reports.
In all U.S. states, new COVID-19 cases are now trending up. And as the weather gets warmer, the question remains, will we see a surge?
I'm worried about the summer and the summer surge that could start within the next 3 to 4 weeks across the South.
But a former FDA commissioner and current Pfizer board member isn't convinced a surge is right around the corner.
I do believe that cases will continue to come down. Wastewater data collected by cities does show overall cases coming down, and that we shouldn't have a big wave of infection this summer. Dr.
Scott Gottlieb says the Omicron offshoot does pose a potential risk for a fall surge.
It's going to be important to learn whether or not the newly formulated vaccines that are now in development will cover this B2 variant well.
The latest CDC data shows about 66% of the U.S. is fully vaccinated with at least their initial series of shots. About 31% have gotten a booster. Booster uptake is highest in the Northeast, but lowest in the South, where less than a quarter of the population has received a booster dose.
We've got to make sure that we don't make a decision, which would be a wrong decision, that we're completely finished with COVID-19. We are not.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.